Hello and welcome back to Metaverse. For today's video, we are going to be talking about Basic Attention Token Explained. Everything you need to know about BAT. Let's get started. BAT background. Brave is a web browser that was created by Brian Bondi and Brandon H. These are some of the top minds in the tech industry, if you haven't heard of them before. JavaScript was actually built by Brandon and Brian, who were both former employees of Khan Academy in Mozilla. In one phrase, Brave is a fast, privacy-first web browser as well as a blockchain-based digital advertising platform that is revolutionizing how consumers, marketers, and publishers use the internet. It is also the co-founder of Mozilla, privacy-first browser that truly includes ad blockers, plus a few other elements that aid in protecting the privacy of your personal data. Additionally, you should be aware that it is up to 3 times faster than other web browsers in terms of speed. And the main reason for this is that they have an integrated ad filter that prevents a lot of requests for resources and domains that you don't need. Blockchain advertising. Publishers of online content make significant profits, while advertisers gain value for their advertising dollars, similar to how old-fashioned advertisements operate. However, these advertisements aren't as intrusive and don't track consumers around the internet constantly. In fact, if you're using the Brave browser to watch any YouTube video. What is BAT? What is the fundamental sign for attention? The native utility token of the Brave browser is the basic attention token. Additionally, the fundamental attention token is basically an Ethereum token. Its goal is to use a blockchain approach to better address the issue of digital advertising. Online user data is tracked by traditional advertising, which then packages it and sells it to the highest bidder. In fact, Google and Facebook are well known for this, mostly due to the fact that they have the most well-known goods that enable them to genuinely track their users. For instance, you might have encountered a circumstance when you entered and left a specific website, but later, when you're perusing your Facebook news stream, you notice adverts from the same business. This was created by the Facebook Pixel. The website you visited has an API installed to save user information for later advertising uses. While this might be quite useful for businesses looking to market their goods, one of the many reasons the US Senate has been hitting Facebook with penalties is that it is a severe infringement of privacy. On the other hand, developers of basic attention tokens provide an alternative and user-focused method of advertising. Instead, they monitor user involvement and attention on open tabs in real time to gauge browser attention. They don't return it to a central server according to the amount of time spent on a particular piece of content. This informs the browser which advertising to display. One line sums up the value of the fundamental attention token. BAT is the attention buying token used by advertisers. How does BAT work? How the Ethereum blockchain and the Brave web browser interact in each other is how the fundamental attention token truly functions. The token actually brings various parties together for a number of purposes, including to permit transactions between readers and content creators and advertising. In exchange for ad space on such content, advertisers offer a specific quantity of fundamental attention tokens. Then, based on the attention score gained by gauging user engagement, they will come to a decision. It essentially implies that the advertising is more specifically personalized to the consumers in order to maximize revenue for the advertisers. This not only guarantees that bold users receive custom advertisements, but it also makes the browser's performance, privacy, and security better. Users of the Brave browser can choose not to see advertisements. However, the Courageous Rewards program gives you the option to view advertisements and earn minimal attention tokens. If you choose to view advents, you will earn tokens. Some members make as much as $100 every month simply by performing their usual activities on Chrome. With this technique, users only view ads that catch their interest and are compensated for doing so. The advertisers only present adverts to customers who are interested. As a result, users are not bothered by unrelated advertisement, third-party trackers, or viruses, creating a win-win situation. Additionally, since they are only charged when interest users click on their advertising, advertisers save money. Now for a distinctive advantage of using simple attention token, additionally, the blockchain technology which assures that users, marketers, and publishers are not dependent on external services is the Brave web browser. To give you an example of why this is a positive thing, the platform matches advertising locally on the machine while still providing consistent content flow and quicker downloads. Facebook's database could be hacked, allowing someone to see what you ate last night, but they are unable to do so using Brave's fundamental attention token paradigm. In conclusion, advertisers purchase inexpensive attention tokens to use the advertising, and the creators of the material that the advertisement is displayed on are also given some of those spent tokens. Since everyone benefits, the Brave logo has three sides: users, creators, and advertisers each have their own. BAT tokenomics. The token's market cap is presently above $1 billion, and its price is about 70 cents. The project had its initial ICO launch in May of 2022, where 6,400 basic attention tokens might be purchased for the Ethereum. This equated to about $7.8 million worth of Ethereum at the time. Purchased 1 billion tokens for basic attention, 200 million more was transferred for the development fund, and 300 million tokens were added to the pool for user growth. The user growth pool essentially functions as advertising funding to encourage users to download and utilize the Courageous program. Additionally, a simple attention token doesn't inflate because the supply is limited. The price should rise as demand rises. Price of BAT hasn't moved up. The cost of a basic attention token hasn't increased recently. There are a few things to think about. The project supporting it is the first factor. The Brave web browser supports basic attention token, which presently has 1 million publications and over 25 million consumers. Future acceptance of the browser solution will most likely to be more widespread. It can raise the value of the token additionally. Many advertisers have embraced the Brave's approach, indicating that as a platform grows, the browser's advertising partners will also expand. The amount of advertising money converted to basic attention token will probably rise as a result, helping to increase price stability and growth as a result of tokens' limited supply. What do you think about BAT in the Metaverse from our discussion? Please let me know by leaving a comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, please press the like button, turn on the notification bell, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for stopping by to watch. See you in our next video.